So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to add paths in Google Earth. So first of all, you have to click on the Google Earth app. And for example, you want to measure a distance from point A to point B. So in order to measure the distance, you have to create a path in Google Earth. So let's see, I want to measure a distance from point A to point B in this Miami Beach. So let's select, first of all, you have to create a place mark. So in order to create the place mark, first of all, you have to click on the add place mark option here. Click on that and you have see I had this blue icon on this map. Now you have to click on save to project after placing the place mark you want, and then when you press click the save to project, it will show you two options, try project and local KML file. So if you save the place mark in the local KML file, it will be stored in your device or browser only. So let's choose this local KML file, and here you can choose the name for your place mark. Let's choose any name like point A. You can also increase the icon size to small, medium, large or extra large according to your preference. So I'm choosing large distance here, size here. And then you have to go back and it will automatically create a place mark here for you. So now it's time to create another place mark point B. So let's see if you want to create the place mark here. Again, you have to do the same step. Let's go back and let's add one more place mark point B. So you can choose the size here. Let's go for extra large. Let's go back and it will create the point B place mark for you. So now you want to measure the distance from point A to point B. So in order to do that, you have to create a path. So in order to create a path, what you have to do is you have to click on this more option here. Click on that and you will see 4 more options: path or polygon, folder, title, tile overlay and slide. You have to click on path or polygon option here. Click on that and then you have to select the starting point of your path. Let's say I have chosen this point A as a starting point. Then you have to click on add point option here. And you can see I have already created a point here. Now you can add more points by clicking on this add point option. Let's keep going till you reach the point B. You can see as I adding more and more points, the length, which you can see at the bottom of the screen, keep increasing with each point that I add. You can also change the units of this length. You can go for kilometers, or you can select miles or inches, feet. You can select any of these units. So for example, I'm choosing kilometers here and I'm selecting kilometers. It will show me the length in kilometers here, 6.22 kilometers. So let's keep adding more points till you reach the point P. Here we go. So guys, we have reached the point P here. And let's add the final point here at point B. And after you add the final point, you have to click on done option here. Click on that and it will create a line for you here. You can see I have created this yellow line from point A and point B, and it will show me the distance from point A to point B in kilometers because I have selected the kilometers unit, so it will show me the length in kilometers. So right now the length is 15.14 kilometers. Or if you select miles, it will show you the length in miles, 9.41 miles. And in this way you can measure any distance of any place from point A to point B in Google Earth. So now I'm going to show you how to save this path. You have created this path, but you want to save it also for future use. So in order to save this path, you have to click on Save to Project here. And now here you can choose any name for your path. For example, I'm choosing Miami Beach. You can also select the width for your path here. Let's go for 8 width here. And after selecting the width, you have to go back here. And it will be saved automatically in your device. So guys, if you want to change the name of your path, you can also do that. You have to click on these 3 dots here. And after clicking on that, you have to click Rename option. And here you can choose a different name for your path. Let's go for beach. Or you can choose Florida Beach here. Click on Save. And it will change the name of the path for you. Or you can select any different options, like you can also hide the path on your map. You have to click on Hide on Map and it will hide the path for you. Or if you want to unhide this path, you can again click on I button here and it will show you the path again. So in this way you can choose different options. You can rename, hide on map, and if you want to show this path at your startup, which means that if you open up the Google Earth app and if you want to see the path at the startup, you can select this option and you will see this yellow star. For example, I'm now exiting this Google Earth here. And now I'm going to open it again. It will show the path at the startup of this application. So if you want to delete this path, so you have to click on the 3 dots again and then you have to click on delete. And if you want to delete this part, you have to click on OK. So in this way, you can measure any distance from point A to point B of any place on Google Earth. So I hope guys you understand my point here. And if you like my video, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also visit my Google Earth playlist for more Google Earth tutorials. And also press the bell icon to get notifications of my future videos. So thank you for watching.